Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to add music to Google Slides. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. First, open a Google Slides presentations and then click on the Insert menu. Now you have to click on Audio. Choose the audio file option. Select the audio file you want to insert from your Google Drive. You cannot directly import audio files from your computer into Google Slides. You must first upload the audio files to Google Drive. You can also insert audio files that you have shared with others or from the Recent tab. Click on the Open button. The audio file will be inserted into your presentation. And finally, in the right sidebar, you can choose the playback options, volume, and whether you want the audio to play on each slide or throughout the entire presentation. And that's it. It's very simple. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.